The pigeon nest was in our window. What we observed was after a few weeks of the baby pigeon birth, they fall down. Not sure why they fall, but as they are little birds, they wouldn't be able to fly and eventually become food for the cats roaming down there. It is advised not to separate the baby pigeons from the parents less than 7 days a week, as both the father and mother feed them crop milk. When they were really grown big enough, when there were chances they might fall down, we took them inside home. Their food bag was full of food fed by their parents. We started to hand feed them twice a day. Let me put some useful links on hand feeding in the description section below. Once a baby pigeon start to fly a little high, in 1 to 2 weeks they should be flying good. We did a mistake here. The parent pigeon was teaching the first baby to fly. We also wanted her to let go. And we were not aware that she needs a couple of days so that she becomes good in flying. She flew to the top where another pigeon hit her. She lost balance and fell down. There was a cat down there with 3 kittens. She grabbed her the next moment. When I ran down, all I could see was her and the cat's mouth. If we had let her go after 1 to 2 weeks, she would have been living now.